So this is from Sprout as well. This is their gray edition. Now, if you have all of your own seed pods, or maybe you purchase seeds separately, this one is designed to run separately, and you can see pretty basic operation. This is the gray edition. As you can see, I've just raised that up to the full height. Now, it does have within here, it has the ability to add the plant food and the water underneath this. I am not going to take this bottom section off just yet, but I am going to unplug the light. Now, it does come with a separate US power adapter here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the Harvest XL is twice the capacity now of the original Sprout that I just showed you. So if you're looking for something that wants to grow more, in the case of our lettuce, I think we're going to be growing quite a bit of it. There we go. So now it's on. The computer started up here down on the bottom. You can see here it says light on off. It's a touch button. The other one didn't have any light control, I think, unless it was on the top. You can add plant food or you can add water. So the add water light is blinking. So it has some maintenance required here, and then add plant food. So it's giving you that warning there. This is the Harvest in gray. Like I said, this is adjustable in height. So all the way down at the bottom when they're just starting to grow, and then all the way up high. So you can actually grow this quite a bit. The gray color is very neutral. I think that would look great in a kitchen like ours, which is all white. So this is the Aerogarden in black, but this is the kit with the 6 pods that come with it. So let's go take a look at what you get in this one. Next to me here, I have the Aerogarden in gray. So if you do purchase the one that comes with the pods, this is what the kit entails. It's a little bit nicer setup. This one just came in a plastic bag. It wasn't, anything special. So there are your 2 Aerogarden. This has a pesto recipe. A pesto you can make yourself. This is one of the pod sets here, it looks like. So fully assembled, it looks like. There's nothing to do here, which is kind of nice. It's going to have the US power plug, same basic design between the black and the gray, which was what we expected. There's the black, there's the gray. They're both height adjustable, and they both do have an integrated water pump, and they do have a DC cord. Let me go ahead and switch it to this one, and we'll turn on the light. So you have that light capability. So the seed pod kit for garden herbs from Aerogarden, it's going to have the 6 pods. It's going to have the plant food built in. It's got the drop-ins that are ready to go and the domes, guaranteed to germinate. So you're going to get plants out of this, guaranteed. So what does this one have? It's going to have the Banquet curly parsley, Genovese basil, German thyme, peppermint mint, so you can make your own tea with this. It's going to have dill and Thai basil. So there you go. So ready to go, and that is from Aerogarden.